Hi, Emma. How are you today?
Hi, Alex. I'm great, thanks. What a beautiful day.
Yes, perfect for the park. Look at those ducks.
They're so cute and funny. Do you want ice cream? Yes, I love chocolate flavor. Mine is strawberry. It's delicious.
Ice cream makes me happy. Want to try the swings?
Yes, can you push me? Hey, this is so fun.
Higher? Or is this okay?
I'm a little tired now.
Let's rest under this tree. Oh, it's getting late now.
Already? Time flies when we play. See you tomorrow at school.
Bye, Emma. Have a nice evening.